Ay, wait lang sa unahan. Ay, sa pa. Ay, nadating pa na.
So and we have in original flavor. So first to finish their cup noodles will win a K-food. Pero wait for my cue lang before mag-start lang So again, remind ko lang ulit na you will be given 5 minutes to finish.
5 minutes pa lang.
So your 5 minutes will start in... Yan, start na po. You may start with your cup noodles.
Go, Heng!
Shoheng!
Heng, laban!
Again, remind ko lang kayo, pagkatapos nyo na yung cup noodles nyo, kindly raise your hands na lang. Congratulations to everyone who's winning. So, quick photo and then para maklaim yung prize.